Hey guys, I finally have my boat loader ready for a test. I'm going to do all in one go so you can see how long it takes, and then I'll explain all the details on that contraption. Let's start. That's locked. It won't budge anymore. Now let's take it off. To take it off there, I actually need an extra step. I need to put a safety pin somewhere here, so when I tilt it this way, the frame doesn't come off the roof rack. And that's it, guys. That's as easy as that. Now let's have a look at the details, okay? Right, this here, just two little holes. Where most of the times it's easy to just slot this in. At the top, to prevent this from coming any further, I've got this piece here and the same on that side. Okay, to prevent this from coming off the roof rack, I drilled a hole and tapped it with M5 thread, but this one here, I can't access it when I've got the boat here. I can remove it from inside, just put it down here, but it's a pain to actually thread it back in. So I'm just gonna make a rod, and the hole will just go through it, and that will fix the problem. On the back, it's quite easy, it's the same system. But this here, you have access even with the boat on the rack, so no problem there. The structure itself, it's dead easy. It's just a square, and I put this bar here which is protruding from the tube surface, so that keeps it aligned, or keeps the roof rack in between them so it doesn't come off. Just lift it, I got some rollers there on the other end. So the rollers are here, and once the whole frame comes this way, it locks. The second roller locks it in place. And now it's trapped between this roller and the mast support. Here. That's the play, that's all the play has. So when I want to unload the boat, because this is now locked, I need to come on this side, lift the boat a bit, and then go on the other side and pull it from there. So let's have one more go. Okay, I need to bring it here in line with my indicator. So I have most of the weight here, see, and I can easily lift that end of the boat. Locked in place. Okay guys, is this something that Marina could do? No, you still need a bit of strength to go from here to this height, okay? You could make that easy or easier if you make an extra part and prolong this here. So when it's on the floor, instead of being here by the boat, it's further back, and then you have a bigger lever to pull it, to push it in. That of course would mean a couple extra parts I would have to put in the car, take with me in the back. So for as long as I can lift this on my own, that's the system I'm going to use. Okay, I know this is not the simplest thing to build. It actually took quite a lot of tweaking to get it to the stage that you can see here. It looks like crap because I had to cut, weld, drill, weld, cut again, and but it looks like it's working for now. All I need is to make that longer pin so I can reach that threaded hole from here with the bolt on top. So I can now start to think about making it a bit neater, maybe some black paint, and that's what I'm going to use, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you very much for your support on this project. We achieved it. We have the car topper that you can car top on your own. See you soon.